like a little eel and comes away from trouble. Little squat man comes inside Woodville, leaves him for dead. Outside Fenwick, leaves him for dead and puts the ball away. And that is why Maradona's the greatest player in the world. Maradona on the ball, always danger, lays it outside and finds Valdana. He can't turn. Maradona's there, right in the bump ship. And is that goal going to be allowed?